Welcome to our deep dive into the intricate world of Rolex watchmaking. Here, in the heart of Switzerland, a symphony of craftsmanship and precision unfolds, giving birth to timepieces that are more than just instruments. They are legacies passed down through generations. Today, we'll uncover the meticulous steps involved in crafting one of the world's most iconic timepieces. From the initial selection of raw materials to the final tick of the second hand, we'll witness the dedication, the artistry, and the sheer human ingenuity that goes into each Rolex watch. Join us as we venture beyond the polished facade and explore the inner workings of these mechanical marvels. This is a story of dedication, of a relentless pursuit of perfection, a story that begins, quite literally, from the ground up. Our journey begins not in the workshops of Geneva, but in the far corners of the globe, where nature yields the raw materials that will ultimately grace your wrist. Rolex meticulously sources only the finest metals, each chosen for its inherent properties. Gold, revered for its luster and resistance to corrosion, forms the foundation of their most prestigious models. Platinum, even rarer and more enduring, embodies the pinnacle of luxury. And steel, specifically Rolex's proprietary Oyster steel, undergoes a unique formulation process, rendering it exceptionally strong and polished to a peerless sheen. But the quest for perfection doesn't stop there. Precious stones, sourced with the same ethical and environmental consciousness, are meticulously selected to add a touch of brilliance and individuality to each timepiece. The transformation from raw material to horological masterpiece begins with the heart of the watch, the Oyster case. This iconic design, first introduced in 1926, is a testament to Rolex's relentless pursuit of durability and precision. Skilled artisans, using a combination of traditional techniques and cutting-edge technology, work tirelessly to shape and mold the metal. Each curve, each angle, each minute detail is painstakingly crafted to exacting specifications. The process involves multiple stages of machining, pressing, and polishing, all performed with meticulous care. It's a delicate dance between human skill and mechanical precision, a testament to Rolex's unwavering commitment to quality. Now, we delve into the very heart of a Rolex, the intricate mechanism that breathes life into these exquisite timepieces. The Perpetual movement. This intricate assembly of gears, springs, and levers, some no larger than a grain of rice, work in perfect harmony to keep time. Each component is painstakingly crafted and meticulously inspected, often by hand, under high magnification. The watchmakers, with steady hands and years of experience, assemble each movement with an almost surgical precision. It's a symphony of tiny components, each playing a crucial role in ensuring the accuracy and reliability that Rolex is renowned for. The rhythmic ticking of the movement is a testament to the patience, skill, and dedication that goes into each and every Rolex watch. With the movement complete, we turn our attention to the face of the watch, the dial. This is the canvas upon which time itself is displayed, and Rolex offers a breathtaking array of styles and materials. From the classic simplicity of the Datejust to the sporty elegance of the Submariner, each dial is a work of art in its own right. The indices, the numerals, the hands, all are meticulously crafted and applied with the utmost precision. The application of luminous material, ensuring legibility even in the darkest depths of the ocean, requires a steady hand and an artist's eye. It's this meticulous attention to detail, this unwavering pursuit of perfection, that sets Rolex apart. The final stage of the Rolex journey is perhaps the most rigorous. Each and every watch must undergo a battery of tests designed to simulate the harshest conditions imaginable. Water resistance is tested in specialized chambers, simulating depths far exceeding those encountered by even the most adventurous diver. Shock resistance is evaluated with impacts far greater than those experienced in everyday life. Only when a watch has passed every test with flying colors is it deemed worthy of the Rolex crown. It's this unwavering commitment to quality, this refusal to compromise, that has cemented Rolex's place as a true icon of horological excellence. And there you have it, the incredible journey of how a Rolex watch is made. From the mines of South Africa to the workshops of Geneva, it's a story of human passion, precision, and an unwavering pursuit of perfection. Each Rolex watch is a testament to the brand's rich history, its dedication to innovation, and its commitment to creating timepieces that are not only beautiful, but built to last a lifetime. It's a legacy that transcends generations, a symbol of success and a testament to the enduring power of human ingenuity. Thank you for joining us, and stay tuned for more fascinating insights into the world of luxury craftsmanship. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting content, updates, and new uploads from Manufactour straight to your feed.